Hey, welcome to another episode of geekoutdoors.com. So on today's video, I wanted to show you something that you might see as a content creator, and that's basically on your monetization. You're going to get an ad suitability or limited ads on your particular video. And so let me show you how that works. So if you go here to your filter in YouTube Studio, then go to monetization, and then you can choose videos that are monetized, not monetized, or limited. So I'm going to choose limited. I'm going to apply. And then you'll notice that I do have some videos right here that are limited. So if you look at monetization, it says limited. And what it means is the video is running, but there are limited or no ads due to content identified as not suitable for most advertisers. So basically what that means is you're not going to get as many ads on your video as you could because of the fact that the YouTube algorithm sees that there's something wrong with your video. So in this case, I have two of them. And so the first video I have here, it is about the quarantine. So I could see why that's limited. But another one, I talk about how to download YouTube videos from your channel legally. And I didn't see why they actually put that as a limited monetization. And so once you see this limited monetization, you could also go here to restrictions and you see ad suitability. And whenever you put your mouse over it, you'll see that you can request a review for this. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to talk about what you should do before you request a review. And then once you request a review, it's going to tell you it is under review. It tells you the date that you request a review, and then they'll tell you that they review within 7 days normally. And then if you click on the learn more, it's going to come to this page where it talks about why ads aren't showing on my video. And so in this case, these are like some general reasons why it might not show up. But really the most important thing here is to go down here to advertiser friendly. So if you go here, it's going to go to the advertiser friendly content guidelines. So this is really the most important thing as YouTube changes things all the time. And so I highly recommend that you come here first. And I will leave links to this page in the description area below. But once you come here, it's going to tell you the main categories of where your content could be violating guidelines. And so you want to make sure that your content doesn't fall into any of these categories. And if you feel like your content doesn't fall into any of these categories and the algorithm made a mistake, then I would go ahead and request a review for your video. So that's my video on what to do whenever you see a limited monetization for ad suitability restrictions. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other ways in which you fix this, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my YouTube tutorials and tips, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.